This video will take you through the steps of opening and setting up the Reolink E1 Pro camera. You may receive the package in a black wrap. Just simply open it up. Included in the box, you should have the power adapter, mounting screws with anchor, instructional pamphlet, a mounting template. You should be able to put this either on the wall or ceiling, mark where the screws need to be inserted, and then screw them in. And the camera itself. Please hang on to the packaging just in case you have to ship the camera and mounting bracket back for repair or replacement. It also includes the mounting bracket. Once you screw this into the ceiling or wall, you should be able to just simply mount the camera and twist. Again, to recap what comes in the box, you'll have the camera itself, the power adapter, mounting screws and anchor, the mounting plate, and the template for the mounting plate. Next, we'll get into the setup process. You'll now need to use your phone and go into the App Store. Search for Reolink. Scroll past the first ad and download Reolink Utilities. Once it's downloaded, click Open. And if you're not prompted to log in, click on the down arrow in the left-hand side, and you should be able to see a login at the top. If not, you can click on the three bars and you'll have login available here at the top. Here you'll want to enter the camera credentials for signing into the account. Once the credentials are entered, click Login, and you should see our icon at the top left. Put your finger on the right of the screen and just slide your screen over. At this point, you want to prepare the camera to be set up. So you want to remove the protective film on the front of the lens. Take the power adapter out of the plastic. And when the time comes, you'll have your mounting screws when you need them. Remove the Velcro from the cord. You can go ahead and plug the cord into a power source, but do not plug it into the camera just yet. Once the camera is prepped and you have the power cord available, you want to click the plus symbol in the top right hand of the app. You'll get a scan come up. Turn the camera over to the bottom and hold your camera up to the code. You'll get a prompt to show that the Wi-Fi is not configured. Click Wi-Fi not configured. Plug the camera in. Should see a blue light on the front. And once you hear the beacon sound, click on I've heard the ding sound. Click Next. Enter the Wi-Fi information. This is the network at the Pizza Hut. Here you'll want to enter the PH Wi-Fi SSID, the password. After you enter the credentials to the PH Wi-Fi, you'll then want to scan the code that will show on your phone. So when you're ready, have the camera prepared and click Scan Now. A code will appear on your phone. Hold it up in front of the camera.
Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
Once you hear the voice prompt that is connected,
Connection to the router succeeded.
Click
Welcome
Next.
to Reolink.
Once you hear that the connection is successful, click I have heard the voice prompt and click Next.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
At this point, you can create a login and password. This is for this particular camera. We want to be consistent with the password, so please enter the same password provided in the document. Confirm the password, click Return, and then click Next. Then you want to name the device. At this point, enter the store number that you're currently installing the camera. Make sure you use the leading 0. Click Return, and then click Next. Initialization is finished. Then just click Finish, and you should get a prompt that device has been added. At this point, it should now show on your phone. At this point, you can unplug the camera, take the mounting screw and bracket, mount the camera where you need it to be placed. I suggest close to a power source within 6 feet of an outlet. Plug it back in, and then you can connect to the camera through the app and adjust where the lens needs to be pointed with the pan tilt option. Once you plug the camera back in, it'll take a few moments to reconnect to the router. You'll then see the camera start spinning around and making a humming noise. Once that stops, you should see the image on your phone. If not, hit the refresh button. Once you're connected, at the bottom there's a button titled PTZ. Click on that and a wheel comes up. You can now adjust the camera's pointing direction by using these directional wheels. Just hold down on one side or the other, or up and down, until the camera is in the position that you desire. Once the camera is in the proper position, pointing toward the door and lobby area, just hit X and you can now close the app. Your setup should now be complete, and you can reach out to the IT department to let them know that the camera has been connected.